What's up, everybody? The 1B here, back with another thumbnail creation video. If you've watched any of my other ones, you know that I have a template for my Twitch VODs that I'm bringing over to YouTube. And so today we're going to be using that template, and we're going to be working on a tutorial for, not a tutorial, but a thumbnail for me playing through Defcon's tutorial. And so I actually really like this screenshot. It's really cool. And we're going to go ahead and go into the white text, grab the white title. There is only one episode on this, so we can go ahead right away and change this to a 1. Shrink this down. The reason it's important to get this bounding box correctly is centering. I'll show you right now. So as of right now, it's off center with this white underline. I call it an under. This is spelled wrong, but whatever. The underscore here. And so when I come up here, change this to selection, it's going to center it. See, now this is centered evenly. But if we do this, send that out a little bit. Back to doing that. Make sure you have to have both these selected if you are on selection. And then we will center, see, and this has got a huge space here and then a small space there. So you prevent that by, it's not using the text as a place to center. It's using the bounding box for the text. Something else I noticed too, it usually centers the smaller one. So like if this was bigger than this underscore, the underscore would get centered on the bigger layer. I'll call it item, graphic, whatever. And all right, so we have the title where we want it. There's a Steam Authentication Success up here, and then there's all this graphic over here. So this kind of balance it out. There's a little bit of black space here. I really like this thumbnail to remove the borders already. You can kind of see it's got that thin green with that dark green, or the transparent green here. I already kind of like that. So I'm going to just kind of borrow from it. We're going to grab that color. We're going to use that here. We're going to go like that. Then we're going to come here and we're going to grab this color. Select there. Do that. Control D. There you have it. File. Save. I'm deciding that I want to switch it around. I'd like it this way, but if this light green close to this Defcon title kind of draws away from it. So what we're going to do is go back to swatches, and we're going to select this one, and we're going to go here, backspace, and then we're going to take this one, and we're going to go that one. Make sure you select it, make sure you're on the right layer, Control D. All right. Can't really see it. That's too bad. Would play off of this color set. I just really like this. We're just going to stick with it. Sometimes you just gotta go with what you like. Backlog Gaming, we go new folder, we call it Defcon. It's actually the Defcon tutorial, is what I should say, instead of episode, right? That's a good point. Got that before we went ahead. Tutorial. Terrible speller. Let's capitalize that. Tutorial. So one thing I used to use underscores, now I'm using dashes because it's better on search engine optimization from some videos that I caught. I don't know how true that is. I haven't really researched SEO too much, but I've been picking up information here and there while I watch through, tips on YouTube and stuff like that. So I've adjusted. It was actually on a video about better file structures for graphic designers and video editors and so on and so forth. So, obviously that person has a little experience in that area, so that's why I kind of trusted them. It was a more recent video as well. Let's see. They already got this exported. Good, very good. That's it. So that was a quick little video there, and I got some more coming. So check those out, and I will talk to you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.